Hello all. Now in this video going to see a dictionary. Dictionary has keys and values as we know. So to get only the value stored in the dictionary, you just have to call the function dict2 dot values. I will use dict1 for this so that it will be easy for you. If you run this, you will get the values stored in the dictionary 10, 15, 30. So if you want to see only the keys used in the dictionary, you just have to use the function keys and give run. So you can get the keys here: carrot, tomato, potato. If you want to add a new value to the dictionary, it's very simple. You can just dict one. I'm adding a new key radish, which has the value 20. So if you run this, you can see the key radish is added to the dictionary one. You can also verify using just call the dictionary once, and you can see the radish is added to the last of the dictionary. This is like the append function we are used in the list. It's very easy to add and remove the key values to a dictionary. Yeah, thanks for watching. Meet you in the next useful video.